Roman rules. Today we are here to start our exercise. Roman rules. Today we are here to continue our exercise 5.2. Okay. So in exercise 5.2, the first question of today's class is question number 12. So in question number 12, it is given that two APs have same common difference. So we have two APs. Okay. Same common difference. So firstly, I assume let A be the first term of AP1 and capital A be the first term of AP2. As common difference is same for both the APs, so can I let it small d on? Okay. So the next part is the difference between their 100th term. So 100th term means A100 minus A100 is equals to 100. It is given na? The 100th term of first minus 100th term of second is equals to 100. Okay. Now students आप मुझे क्या बताएं? A100 का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस 100 माइनस 1 इंटू डी माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस 100 minus 1 into d is equals to 100. Okay. Now a plus 99d, as we know na, first term of first AP is a and first term of second AP is capital A. So here it is capital A plus minus minus 99d is equals to 100. Yes students. So plus 99 and minus 99d is cancel out. So we are left with a minus capital A is equals to 100. Okay students. So this is the equation number 1 we are getting. Now we have to find difference between their 1000 terms. So 1000 term means you can say A1000 minus A1000. Yeah, आपको find out करना. Okay. Now what is the value of A1000? That is first term plus 1000 minus 1 into d minus first term plus 1000 minus 1 into d. Okay. Now A plus 999d minus A. Now plus minus minus, so 999d, because common difference is same as it is given in the question. So plus 999d minus 999d will cancel each other. So we are left with small a minus capital A. Now what is the value of small a minus capital A? That is 100. So the answer is 100. Okay students. Okay. Now move to the next question. Okay. Now the second question, or you can say 13th question according to the exercise. How many 3 digits number are divisible by 7? So firstly we have to know what is the 3 digit number. 3 digit number means जिसके अंदर 3 digit आते हैं, जैसे कि that start from 100, 100. Okay. So 3 digit numbers are starting from 100 to 999. So 3 digit numbers are from 100 to 999. Okay. Now we have to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. So 100 is not divisible by 7. Okay. So can I say 101 is divisible by 7? No, 101 is also not divisible by 7. So I think 105 is off. Yes, we can say that 105 is the divisible by 7. Now add 7 to the next term because it is divisible by 7. So 112 and process goes on. Now check whether 999 is divisible by 7. 999. So 7, 2 is left 29. No, it is not divisible. 998. 7, 2, 19. No, it is not divisible by 7. So 999 is not divisible, 998 is not divisible, 997 is divisible. 9 and 6? No. But 9 and 4 is divisible or not? Yes or no? 7. Okay. So this is the first term and common difference is 7. Now we have to find the number of terms or how many terms. How many terms? So number of terms का मतलब क्या होता है? We have to find the value of n. So हमारे पास फॉर्मूला होता है an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. where an क्या होता है? nth पोजीशन पे बैठी हुई वैल्यू. So nth पोजीशन पे बैठी हुई वैल्यू क्या थी? 994. a फर्स्ट पोजीशन में बैठी हुई वैल्यू क्या है? 105. Now the common difference is 7. Okay. So 105 here it is in minus. Okay. 994 minus 105. Okay, we have to solve this firstly. Okay. 994 minus 100 is 894. 894 minus 5 is 889. Okay. Now 7 is in multiplication, so here it becomes in divide. Now cancel it. 1 is left. So 2 4 7. Okay. Now minus 1 is here. Now plus 1. So I will get n is equals to 128. So we can say that total number of terms of 3-digit number which are divisible by 7 is 128. Okay. So आपने यहाँ से चीज पूछेगी जब भी मुझे नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज जरूरी नहीं है इस चैप्टर में किसी भी चैप्टर में नंबर ऑफ क्वांटिटीज को फाइंड आउट करना हो so you will prefer AP. Okay, arithmetic progression. Okay students. Now we move further. Now the question number 14. According to our exercise, how many multiples? Multiples means also the same term. The number of terms you have to find. Okay, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So firstly 10 between 10 and 250. So firstly check is 10 multiple by is 10 divisible by 4? No, 10 is not divisible by 4. 11, no, 12. Yes, 12 is divisible by 4. Now add 4, 16 and so on. Now check 250 is divisible by 4? No, 250 is not divisible by 4. 249, no. So I think 248 is divisible by 4. Huh? Yes. So now from this a is equals to 12. Now common difference is 4. Okay students. Now what I have to find? I have to find the n. So formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. तो an आपको क्या है? जो लास्ट पोजीशन पे बैठी हुई वैल्यू है 248. So a is 12 plus n minus 1 into d. d is 4. Here 12 plus में तो यहाँ पे आके क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस. So but 248 में से 12 को क्या कर देता हूँ? माइनस. So it is 8 minus 2 6, 4 minus 1 3. Here it is 2. ये 4 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करते तो आगे क्या होगा? डिवाइड. So कैंसिल 5 और ये 9. 59 ना? 59. ये माइनस में इधर आके प्लस होगा. So on solving I will get n is equals to 60. On solving I will get n is equals to 60. Okay students. So in this way we can solve this type of questions where we have to find the n. Okay students. Thank you.